Fucking thing's pissing me off. It works. Oh. Hello, Mr. Coyote. Hello. You sound full of flu.
It's because of my helmet. I got to take it off and I cannot breathe it.
Don't worry, you ginger, it's fine.
Did you just learn?
No! Actually, no, it's no excuse nowadays. If I can identify as a big red fire engine, you can identify as ginger. It's fine.
I identify as a ginger fire engine.
Nice!
Done.
What?
Take it.
Yeah, I'm still scared of it. Happy. Custom built Kythera.
Yeah, nice.
So, Chris,
Kythera, we don't have to have a battery.
you don't need a battery, just an airline.
Yeah, yeah.
It's okay, it's a bit of a bitch to set up, but it works. It's
What
not,
might have been that? Is it the M4 fucking something, the red edition? That's what it looks like.
no, it's just bog standard Kythera.
Yeah.
Did
you paint all these bits yourself?
No, bought them.
Oh, sweet.
Not affiliated, by the way. 6mm.com, so SIXMM.com. Comes from China. You pay about 20 quid in postage, but they do these.
Yeah.
They do the accents.
Yeah, nice.
I love it. Brilliant. So my Christmas present was quite literally this.
Yeah, but I love. You think you're gonna HPA it?
It is HPA.
Yeah, nice.
So I treated myself to a HPA build.
Yeah, nice.
Anybody using pyro today? Yeah? So can it be deployed in a safely manner, please, guys? Underarm, nice and gentle, yeah?
You do a demonstration just for new fans.
Hang on, yeah, 2 seconds. You got it? Tom? Yeah, just like that.
Mic done.
Anybody here got any medical conditions, i.e. asthma or epilepsy?
I'm scared of loud noises.
Okay, so you can use strobes. Loads of easy. We have got a couple of rentals as well, so, you know, go easy on them.
Nope.
Marshall's word is final as well, so if we say that you're being a dick, it's not because we're picking on you, it's because you're being a dick. So, yeah, whatever me and Craig say goes with this today, thank you.
I fucking hate you. I'll play with you.
Yeah, you two go on.
Yeah, so HPA.
Almost. It's in the
Your battle ray.
HPA halfway through the game.
You over here. Rentals over there. These guys used to play paintball. Fuck them up.
Quiet, mate. Quiet.
I didn't intend it. I want to be as loud and proud as what yours is. Oh! Is that Bifrost?
Yeah.
That's fucking gorgeous. It's like counting cats. Meow.
Ollie's first big test of the job then. Count them.
Can he?
53, 54, 1.
18.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It works. It does. Ah, it's the BO spreader. I love this thing. Guys, chemical warfare. Actually doesn't fucking work anymore. There we go. I think this thing doesn't get switched off at all. There we go, look at that. Clean. Don't worry. It's fine. No. shit. Gotcha! Get behind cover, surrender or die! You lucky bastard! Gotcha! Gotcha! Hit! Good shot! Gotcha. Sorry, dude.
You two rats!
Hit! Good shot! That sounded... Yeah, I'm definitely not on your team. Right, hit! Behind you. Behind you. Nice one. Oh, shit.
Has he got it? He's got it, got it.
I'll take it, mate. Yeah. Step on! Sorry, I do apologise about your eardrums.
No, it's alright. You can do it now.
Yeah, because this fucking thing's pissing me off. It works. Weren't tight enough. Sorry about that.
Red man walking.
Gotcha. Grenade.
No, we're good, we're good. It's all clear.
Are we clear down there?
You look down there, are we clear? Through the window.
Okay, hit!
It's alright. No harm, no foul. Whoa! Same team! Ah, hit! Oh, right in the fucking kneecap. Oh, the man! Fucking love this place. I absolutely love it.
You won that.
Won that. We fucked him into the wall.